Hello, in front of me I've got DDpai Mini 3 dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to record and find emergency videos. About the recording emergency videos, actually we don't have to do anything because recording emergency videos happens itself. Simply when you are in crash or something happens, camera will move faster like this and you could hear the sound of shutter, which means that the recording emergency videos has started. Then we can go to DDpai app and go to emergency. Right here we'll find our emergency videos. We can select them and remove them from here. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.